terms of appearance.
Kaido.
Just pissing Kaido off, bro. I love it.
That's his signature here.
Yeah, suck it,
Aw,
Kaido.
the
That's
king of
my role.
Yeah, of course it's
Bro.
gonna be me. It's not gonna be you.
He deserves to be a king of pirates just because, just for that
Mugiwara.
appearance alone, man. Awakening occurs.
It's Luffy
Ridiculous.
listening.
This is like a new level of
it's
absurdity
ridiculous.
with Luffy's
Ridiculous
But in a good way
and
as well.
dangerous.
And you know what? Seeing what he did in Tom and Jerry move.
Yeah, deflected back. That was
And all
disgusting.
this blast
Back at you.
I love how Luffy's power
My man
seems
Luffy
though
really
it
said no
affects,
to you.
So
people as
insane.
well.
And now he got hit back again. As if he's in a cartoon show, and then
And these are all moves that he's
feel
doing
like
on
they're
the spot. He hasn't named
a lot
any
of the
moves
same
yet.
scenes.
he's actually Giganto here, man.
Well, I guess the giant
Can't
one.
man with him.
That's about it.
But I can't get enough of it. I need more.
Patience.
I've lost so much of what I built.
Oh, he's talking about the island?
Angry Kaido.
Oh, please. I
That's
don't care about
Kaido.
that shit.
Kaido,
Yo,
bro.
you guys have been destroying the island this whole time.
What?
Yep.
Everybody is fucking.
Oh, and he's also talking about the calamities, right?
I am kind of
Yeah.
feeling like this might not
okay,
be
I
a
thought it
lot
was like
of new material,
Jack.
but maybe
Oh,
a
bro.
lot
He
of
doesn't know that Queen and King have
flashbacks.
lost, does he?
I'm under him. It's gone.
going to get a lot of flash. Actually, I'll let it play.
Because of Sanji.
Dang, how many episodes ago was
Forever.
this?
Level,
I
the
love
straw
this
hat
shit.
is
I
like
love
after
this
this
part.
fight.
Gone.
Watching
Consider
Queen
that
getting knocked out of the fucking building. This shit is
I
so
can't
sick.
remember his annoying voice and all.
Oh, they didn't
The
show it.
He's
Tokyo
gone.
like,
Oh,
this
how
is
is
like
Zoro
the level
coming
doing?
that the
in
straw hats will
against
be
King
on after
here.
this.
King
Without his
Sonic.
smash.
We're gonna get
King.
for
Table.
like everyone.
This is
You
it.
know?
What
Rana!
says. But you know what happened, right?
103 Mercies, Dragon Damnation.
We're almost at the end, man.
This shit,
Both
bruh.
King and Queen is gone.
I still go back and
They're
watch that
both
episode. It's
unleashing
fucking
their arms.
disgusting.
Zoro's best fight to date.
Hard to believe that was actually 2.5 months ago.
Fuck.
Unreal.
God damn. They're
Wow.
second best to Epic, man.
And then the way he
Luffy.
comes back on the island
He'll be alright.
And
and his
Yes.
hero stance.
King
Hero
going
landing.
down to the earth.
So badass.
That's it. Jack as well. But still, there are things
Yes.
exactly. You've taken so much to
I
what
like that,
couldn't hear.
Luffy.
That's just incomparable, man. The defeat of
Oh, you trying to light
Jack
up,
and
bruh?
all.
I can light up too.
it's
What's
not
good?
enough, man. You lose.
You
more
can say
and
the same
more,
thing
so.
for you, Kaido.
He's kind of
He's not smiling so much anymore.
Stare out the
So he got a little
Here we
more
go,
serious,
Luffy.
but
It's time, man. Kundali Dragon
Listen to
Sword.
him.
The spikes,
Oh, he's absorbing
you know, the
the
imprints on
impact
his
and all.
body is kind of dope. And I love how the spikes don't
There's
really affect him
markings of
anymore.
him being-
Screw you.
still.
What the hell is that, Luffy? What the hell is that?
What
It's
is
like in his
this?
own way he's trying to copy.
Gum Gum
Ooh.
Yes!
Looney Tune Ball
Oh,
Gatling.
Kaido's bleeding.
What the fuck? Yo, I saw blood. Yo, he felt that shit.
Luffy's so cute.
I have no words.
Damn. Yes, from last episode, we already know Kaido's getting a little tired, huh?
What?
Oh,
What
it's
is that?
catching up. Oh my
Ah.
gosh.
Where the hell
Okay.
did this fire
shit.
come from? Oh no! Wait, what? So what about the rest?
The fire's reached the roof.
Oh no!
He got folks to worry
Nah.
about that. Luffy
No,
good.
I don't believe whatever he says. But
I was about to say, nah, it's not gonna be that
Don't
easy.
at all.
Kaido, that little piece of beer, man.
Exactly.
Look at that! I remember
Exactly.
the blow in your hands.
Focus
Deal
on
with
you.
you.
Look at
Let's
that.
go!
Exactly.
Kaido, exactly. Luffy.
Again.
Luffy.
Dude, he's doing it again.
Bro. He's still
I know that's
Dust.
Stop.
Kaido's like,
Luffy's
you're
losing his
annoying.
own dirt eyeballs. He held his nuts. He still gotta
I'm gonna
watch
try to hit him with the
that.
destructo disc.
It almost hit your cross.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, what else? One more. Do you want to display, man? What?
Oh shit.
Oh,
Luffy is
what?
What's he gonna do
He's
now?
going up
What
the
is he
ladder.
gonna do? Oh Oh jeez.
What the?
That's
Focus,
a lot.
man.
Oh,
It seemed like he had
Oh.
more
Okay,
balls
whatever
when
the-
he was a
What?
little ass kid.
Whoa.
This is his idea, man.
What the
His
fuck?
idea
What?
was
The
to go-
lightning.
dude, just grab that.
Fucking lightning.
Dude, just
grab
grab
that
that.
lightning.
Has a lightning
Is that
bolt.
your burst roll?
Zing.
Just kidding.
All right, let's see this.
The episode's gonna end.
What the fuck?
Why would you end it like that?
Why?
thought
Why are
there's
we
more.
ending it
That's just
there?
like 2 more minutes.
Come
Just grab that
on.
like it
Oh,
was
let's watch the
nothing.
ending.